Arrive in style with this Ford 2014 F-150 Lariat. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain and conventional spare tire. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.